Okay, people, let's talk denim, specifically vintage denim. Those jeans your mom wore in college? Or the ones you snagged at a thrift store for like $5? Those are gold, my friends. Vintage denim is like that amazing ex you can't stop thinking about. It's got history, character, and a certain je ne sais quoi that you just don't find in new jeans. They fit like a glove, or maybe a really comfortable potato sack, depending on the style. And let's be real, vintage denim is way cooler. It's like having a piece of fashion history in your wardrobe. Plus, you know those old jeans are built to last. They don't make them like they used to. So hold on to those vintage denim treasures, people. Don't even think about tossing them when they get a little holey or ripped. Because in the next section, I'm going to tell you exactly how to give them the second life they deserve. Let's face it, throwing away perfectly good clothes is so last season. It's bad for the planet, and frankly, it's bad for your wallet. Why spend hundreds on new jeans when you can repair your old ones and give them a whole new lease on life? Think of it like this. Every rip, tear, or stain is a chance to get creative. It's an opportunity to personalize your jeans and make them uniquely you. Plus, repaired denim has a certain badass vibe. It says, I'm not afraid of a little wear and tear. I embrace the imperfections. And what's cooler than that? So grab your sewing kit, or borrow your grandma's, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of denim repair. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. All right, repair rookies, let's talk patching. It's the ultimate denim saving technique, and it's surprisingly simple. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a needle and thread. Denim thread is best, but any strong thread will do. Some scissors, and a piece of fabric for your patch. Next, choose your patch. You can use anything from scrap fabric to old bandanas to pieces of lace. Get creative. Cut your patch to a size slightly larger than the hole you're covering. Now, for the fun part, sewing. Thread your needle, tie off the end, and start stitching the patch onto the jeans. You can use a simple running stitch or get fancy with a blanket stitch. And there you have it. A perfectly patched pair of jeans, ready to rock for years to come. Section 4. Darn it, your stylish turning repairs into fashion statements. Okay, so you've mastered the basics of denim repair. Now it's time to take it to the next level and make those repairs look seriously stylish. One word, Sashiko. This traditional Japanese mending technique involves decorative stitching, and it's all the rage in the denim world right now. Another idea? Visible mending. Instead of trying to hide your repairs, make them stand out. Use contrasting thread colors or embroidery floss to create cool designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics and textures. A piece of leather, some vintage lace, or even a piece of a band t-shirt can add a unique touch. Remember, the key is to embrace the imperfections and have fun with it. The more creative you get with your repairs, the more stylish your vintage denim will look. Section 5. Eco-warrior in selvage. How repairing denim helps the planet. Listen up, eco-warriors. Want to do your part for the planet while rocking some killer denim? Then ditch the fast fashion and embrace the art of denim repair. Here's the deal. The fashion industry is a major polluter. From the water used to grow cotton to the chemicals used in manufacturing, producing new clothes takes a toll on our planet. But by repairing and re-wearing our clothes, we can reduce textile waste and lessen our environmental impact. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Plus, vintage denim is inherently more sustainable. It's already been worn and loved, so you're giving it a second or third or fourth life, instead of contributing to the demand for new clothes. So next time you're about to toss a pair of ripped jeans, think again. Grab your sewing kit and channel your inner eco-warrior. Your wardrobe and the planet will thank you. Section 6. Get stitching, denim lovers. So there you have it, folks. The lowdown on why vintage denim is king, how to repair it like a pro, and why it's good for the planet. Now it's your turn to get stitching. Grab those old jeans from the back of your closet, channel your inner fashion designer, and give them the second life they deserve. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to repair denim. Embrace the imperfections, get creative, and have fun with it. Who knows? You might just start a denim revolution.